Here we have a question on page number 167. Have a look on page number 167. Here it is given. For example, in class 5A there are 25 children and they donated 600 rupees. So how much did each child of this class give on average? For this question we have to see the figure which is given. The diagram, the bar graph which we have given has to be taken as the data. 5A. How much the amount donated by 5A is 600. The amount donated by 5B is 750. The amount given by 6A students, let's find out, that is also 600. The amount donated by 6B is 400. The amount donated by 7A is 800. The amount donated by 7B is 700. So the amount donated by each class we got. The amount donated by each class, 5A 600, 5B 750, like this we have made a column. And the number of students in each class is also given in your textbook. It's there on page number 166. Number of children in each class is also given. That also we have written in this table. Then we are asked to find out what is in this question. We are asked to find out the average. So average amount given by each class we have to find out. How will you find out the average? We have already studied in another chapter how to find out average. Average is equal to sum by number. Average is equal to sum by number. So the amount donated by 5A is 600 divided by number of students is 25. So when you divide 600 by 25, you will get 24. The average is 24. The average amount given by 5A student is 24. Like that we have to find out average in all the cases. For example, the amount given donated by 7B is 700. So how will you find out the average? Sum by number. So 700 when you divide by 35, you will get 20. This is the way we have to find out the average. So we got the average. Then what is in the question? Which class has the highest average? Highest average in this case is, it is by 5B. 5B has the highest average. So the answer is 5B. And the lowest, which is the lowest? We have many cases as the lowest. 6A, 6B, 7A, 7B, all these have the lowest values of 20 each. Then draw a bar graph showing these averages. So we have to draw a bar graph showing these average. How will you draw a bar graph? For drawing a bar graph, we have to draw an x-axis and a y-axis. Okay, the first method for drawing a bar graph is we have to draw an x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we have to plot the classes. So take in your scale, take 2 centimeter and then put points. Then you write there 5A. This is 5B. Then we have 6A. Then 6B. Then 7A. Next class is, the last class is 7B. So we have plotted classes on the x-axis. Then we have to plot average on the y-axis. So what are the values of the average? The values of average is 20, 24, 25, like that. So we can, what scale we have to take? You can take a convenient scale of 5 each. 5, 10. So you take your scale and then put points on 1 centimeter each. Okay. Then you can take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like that you can plot the points. Now let us plot the average on the x-axis. Okay. And the first point is, on the first point I am going to plot 5. Average is 5. Then I am going to plot here the scale of 5. 5 each. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The maximum value is 25. Okay, you can plot 25 or one more. 30. Okay. Then how will you draw a graph? 5A students, the amount donated, average amount donated is 24. So how will you find out 24? So in between 20 and 25, there should be, in your graph paper, there should be 5 points. So here, just down 25, very near to 25, let us put a point that you can take as a 24. Then you draw a line towards this 24. Okay. Then you plot a graph like this, a bar graph like this. Now you got 5A, 24. Okay. Next, 5B. 5B, what is the average? 25. So you take your scale and then plot the point near to 25. So if you have any confusion, you take to scale and then find out. Okay. So this is 25. 5B, 25. Then 6A. What is the average of 6A? 20, 20, 20 each. Okay. 6A, 6B, all these are 20 each. So let us take the next 20. Up to this much. Okay. Up to this much is the 20. Then draw bar graph. The next also 6B also 20. Take the scale and then draw a bar graph up to, the line should extend up to 20. Check. This is 20. Okay. 6B 20. The next we have 7A. 7 is also 20. So draw a straight line up to this much. Better you have to draw with the, you must draw it with the pencil and this pencil, so that you can rub the unwanted portions. Okay. The 7B is also 20, up to 20. Okay. So our bar graph is ready. You can erase this portion. Now understood how to draw a bar graph? Copy this question into your notebook. Along with this table, you copy this bar graph also. Okay, this you have to rub it. Okay, thank you.